Hi there everyone, welcome back to Gloria's Platter. Today's dinner is mutton biryani, cucumber raita, chicken curry, and an onion salad. This is the magic flavor behind the biryani today. I am using 2 pounds of mutton cubed, although the recipe only requires 1 pound. Let's open the national recipe mix for mutton biryani and add it to the mutton. Give it a good mix. Over here, I have 1 cup yogurt, which I am beating until it is soft. Add the yogurt to the meat and mix well. Cover and refrigerate for a few hours. You may use 4 medium onions and slice them thinly. I am using 3 large onions. We need 3/4 cup of oil to fry the onions. When the oil is hot, fry the onions until golden brown. Look at these beautiful tomatoes, which I will slice thinly. Here I have 3 cups of basmati rice washed. I soaked the rice for 20 minutes and drained the water. Use whole green chilies. I am using 9, but you can use less or more depending on your spice level. The onions are still frying. If some onions are already fried, move them to the middle of the pan and continue to fry the rest. Add the garlic ginger paste, 1 tablespoon each, and continue to fry. Oil will spatter, so do be careful. Add the marinated mutton, tomatoes, and cook until oil comes on the top. Now in a separate pan, boil 12 cups of water and 3 tablespoons of salt. The chicken is cooking and smells so good. Add water with green chilies. Cover and cook until meat is tender. In the meantime, let's get the rest of the ingredients ready. I have half a bunch of coriander leaves, or as we know, it is called cilantro in the USA. I am discarding the stems and will use only the leaves chopped. I picked some mint from my backyard. Now let's chop it up too. Water for the rice is boiling. Let's add the raw rice and cook until the rice is halfway done. I'm timing it for about 15 minutes. Mix yellow food color in 4 tablespoons of water. I am checking if the rice is halfway cooked. When you press the grain, it should not feel too hard or too soft. Drain the water from the rice. The mutton is tender and we can turn the fire off. In another pan, layer rice and meat until the top layer is meat. Sprinkle yellow food color, coriander, and mint on the curry. Cover and simmer low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Guys, I cannot explain the aroma in our kitchen. Now use a fork to see if all the liquid is absorbed and the rice is fully cooked. If it is cooked, mix everything. If you prefer, you can serve this mutton biryani to the table without mixing. I will serve this mutton biryani with cucumber raita, chicken curry, and an onion salad. Please check the description box for the ingredients for this recipe. I have included the link to chicken curry rice cooker recipe and raita recipe too. My family loved the dinner. They said this was my best biryani. Thank you, National. Guys, if you have missed the bison burger recipe, go ahead and check it out. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Gloria's Platter. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.